Good morning, students. On Friday, we have already started with chapter number 9. And in the same this chapter, we are going to proceed ahead with the same concept of transformation of the sentences which we have started previously in the chapter number 8. But here, we are going to learn about the sentences called compound and complex sentences. So, firstly, you need to learn what is the meaning of compound and complex sentences. Compound sentences are those sentences which are joined together with the help of compound conjunctions. So, compound sentences means those type of sentences which are joined together with the help of compound conjunctions such as but, because, for, as, so that, then, either or, then, neither nor, and then there is not only but also. It occurs in pair. So, etc. So, I have already written near about all the conjunctions that are called compound conjunction, and these conjunctions join two sentences which are independent in itself. Independent in the sense they can occur independently. उनका अपना proper subject है, verb है, finite and object है, proper clause है, and which we can write single. It need not to it need not the help of the second sentence to complete its meaning. Clear? For example, he didn't come to school yesterday as, because, any we can use. He was ill. So see, he didn't come to school yesterday. Up to this we have one phrase, and here we have conjunction. Then he was ill is the second clause. So this is the first clause, this is the second clause. Means sentence जिसका अपना subject, finite, verb and object है. Clear? So these two sentences are independent. Clear? And any of them doesn't need the help of the other to accomplish their meaning. But on the contrary, in the case of complex sentences, see, in it, firstly let me tell you about the conjunctions. Unless we have already done these type of sentences. If sentences, although, yet, though, I will put semicolon. Okay, though, then we have rather than, whether, then we have adjective clauses and adverb clauses which commence or start with who, whom, how. Clear? Who, whom, how. Then we have that, noun phrase. Then as soon as, whereas, as soon as, whereas. Then we have already done the sentences hardly had, commencing with hardly had. So like this, etc. So see these kind of conjunctions, unless, if, although, yet, though, rather, and then adjectival clauses, we have adverbial clauses like who, whom, how. These are called complex sentence, complex conjunctions, और इनकी हेल्प से जो sentences हम coin करेंगे it will be called complex sentences. और complex sentences में क्या होता है, let me first give you one example. If you don't complete your work, you will be punished. So if you don't complete your work up to this one clause, not clause, we will say this is an independent dependent clause. Clear? तो इसको अपना मीनिंग देने के लिए we need the help of the other, you will be punished. So conjunction is if. तो अगर आप अपना काम कंप्लीट नहीं करते तो क्या, सेंस इज नॉट कंप्लीट, वी आर नॉट गेटिंग द कंप्लीट सेंस, देयर इज व्हाट क्वेश्चन. जब हम ये सेंटेंस सुनेंगे इट विल अकर टू आवर माइंड व्हाट विल हैपन देन. क्लियर? सो द सेंस और द मीनिंग इज नॉट कंप्लीट, बट इन दिस लेटर द सेंस इज अकम्प्लिश्ड. सी, यू विल बी पनिश्ड. तो सिंपल प्रॉपर सेंटेंस है विद सब्जेक्ट, with the finite verb be, helping verb and complete verb will be punished. Clear? Subject and proper verb is given, but in the previous one it is also giving the complete sense, you will be punished. So after listening this question, there is no question left in our mind, what is not here. But in the first one, if you don't complete your work तो क्या होगा, you will be punished. तो सेकेंड वन इज कंप्लीट, तो इसे हम प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज बोलते हैं. दिस इज सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज. क्लियर? सबॉर्डिनेट होती है अधीन, जो इसके अधीन है. ठीक है? तो इसको अपना मीनिंग देने के लिए इट नीड्स द सेकेंड वन. क्लियर? कांट स्टैंड अलोन. तो ये वाली सबॉर्डिनेट अधीन क्लॉज है, ये मेन क्लॉज है हमारी प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ऑल्दो he is poor, yet he is honest. चाहिए कि वो पुअर है तो क्या, what happens next? तो although कंजंक्शन है, although and yet जो पेयर में आता है. तो फर्स्ट वन इज द प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, जिसका अपना पूरा मीनिंग है. इट डिलीवर्स अस, इट कन्वेज टू अस द प्रॉपर मीनिंग. ही इज ऑनेस्ट. क्लियर? दिस इज अ प्रॉपर. तो ये प्रिंसिपल है. तो ऑल्दो ही इज येट. क्लियर? ऑल्दो ही इज पुअर, तो क्या, वो पुअर है तो वो ऑनेस्ट है. तो सेकेंड वन इज प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, प्रीवियस वन इज सबॉर्डिनेट क्लॉज. सो लाइक दिस, जो कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस है उसमें आई हैव गिवन यू एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टू सेंटेंसेस, इट मे बी 3. क्लियर? तो complex sentences वो sentences है in which we are going to join two sentences in which one is principal and the others means the second one or the second and third, it will be they will be subordinate. Clear? So it will be subordinate. But in the case of compound sentences, we are having two equal sentences. Clear? For example, take the example of not only in compound sentence. compound की मैं example दे रही हूँ. He is not only intelligent but also sincere. इसका मतलब ये है कि he is intelligent, he is sincere. So sincere word, it denotes to the previous one. He is intelligent, he is sincere. Sincere adjective, only adjective is given. तो intelligent and equal, sincere, intelligent and sincere are two equal adjectives जो इसको glorify कर रहे हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये है बट ऑल्सो के बाद भी वी आर हैविंग द सेंस ही इज सिंसियर, तो ये दो इक्वल सेंटेंसेस बनते हैं, दैट्स वाई इट विल बी कॉल्ड कंपाउंड कंजंक्शन. क्लियर? देन वन एग्जाम्पल मोर. He went to the party but came back soon. Clear? He went to the party but is a conjunction. He came, तो कौन था वापस आया? He already we know, तो he came back soon, इसका मतलब ये he came back soon. ये टू इक्वल सेंटेंसेस है. क्लियर? दोनों की फाइनाइट वर्ब है. जस्ट सी, गो वेंट गोन, कम केम कम, तो ये दो फाइनाइट वर्ब्स हैं. तो इट मीन्स दैट वी आर हैविंग टू इक्वल सेंटेंसेस, तो उनको जोड़ने वाला जो कंजंक्शन है दैट विल बी कॉल्ड कंपाउंड कंजंक्शन. क्लियर?